Yeah, we don't know Shadow Negus. Yeah. Been together since the days of our fetus. Yeah.
Yeah.
All the girls them see us and them need to.
Hey.
Yeah. How say? Hey.
One nation and I am our nation.
How say? Hey.
One nation and I am our nation.
Hey.
Short nigga, big walker. Piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. I'm witch daughter. Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, which on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They switch.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration. Weed all the snakes, then my rise up Imara nation. It is what it is, I don't need to be around the waste man.
Fun waste man.
Let money stick to the plan. What me say? Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Keep my style and not tell me tongue. Keep my style and not tell me. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Keep my style and not tell me tongues.
But what me do?
Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real, deal from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javin to tell me if you watch my friend do. You lost straight up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flows in niggas. The position that I'm in the boss is in the position of how you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I launch them. I put it so far, she saying her tone, she stickle.
Easy. We even take it to our levels where we need to play no more of the song because I don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. I understand this song is available on every major streaming platform, iTunes, the Spotify, the Amazon, whatever you use for stream music, it dep on it. You understand? No cap. All you have to type in is Negusimara, short nigga, big walker. You understand my deal? Yeah. Short nigga, big walker. Negusimara, every major streaming platform. But you don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. We're there once again with some content geared towards my brother them. You understand? And I consider my brother them because I mostly males follow this channel. You understand? For the content them I put out previously. You know what I mean? The content like Stop Back Your Face. You understand? Them type of content and them more content they are found because next week is Male Improvement Week. You understand? It's all I'm gonna do like workout routine and them something there. You understand what I did it? So how to gain success in a life, them type of thing there. You know, more content geared towards the G's them. You understand? Because I see the age. You understand? I'm pretty analytics and mostly young men follow that channel. You understand? Big up on yourself, I'm a brother. You understand? But anyway, let's get into the meat of the matter. Yes, you see the caption, the description or whatever it is, you know, the title. Reasons why, no, I'm gonna call it, this is why she don't respect you. That mega call it. This is why she don't respect you. You wanna know number one? Number one is you're a bitch. She see. You understand? She see that you are a little bitch, bro. You understand? And women, them know who for ramp with. And the minute she give some little bullshit test, bro, and you feel them meaning, she just probably do some far out type something. And she says, wow, him not do nothing, him not reprimand me, him not say nothing about it. You are now considered a little bitch to her, bro. You allow her to walk all over you, brother. She do anything, she say anything. When you set boundaries on them thing there, brother, she don't give a fuck. Because she realized that you're a little bitch, bro. It's sad, but a reality. When woman say you don't masculine enough, brother, you can't get her no chat. How much videos we gotta see? This is not all women for sure. But a lot of women like when men dominate. But some women go as far as say they like to be handled. Mama, you know an animal me no need for angle you. Stay away from those type of girls, though. Any girl say, oh, you have to know for angle me. No, mama, you're an animal. We're animals, technically, but you're not one dog. We're the most sophisticated animals. We can angle with self, mama. Go to therapy. You understand, bro? You let her walk all over you. She realize, say, you're not masculine enough, my general. You can't get in a chat. You don't do anything around the house, bruh. Something need for fix, you have to call the plumber, because the pipe now go on with nothing. Bro, you're supposed to can get a little tangic and fix the pipe, bro. Buy a new faucet or something. She have more masculine energy than you. You're a little bitch. Come on, my general. Come on, bruh. You understand? That's what. Number one. May I give you another one. Number two. You do not lead. How can you want a woman to move with you in one accord and you cannot lead her? You can't even protect her. You can't lead and you can't protect. Or you want a woman to move when you want her to move. And we're not talking about a controlling type setting. We're talking about just basic manners and respect. When you say, yo, babes, come we do so. And she said, all right, babes. We're not talking about, hey, girl, yo, go do that. Go do that. No, we're not talking about that. Them thing there are wasting. Ladies, stay away from men like that. But you cannot lead, bro. You cannot lead. Huh? She want to go dinner. Babes, where we going to go eat? Babe, you pick something now. Pick something where you like, Yeah. Bro, she's asking you for a reason. She wants you to take charge. Yeah, put it back on her. Hey, babe, I know where you want to go. Biggie that boy. You tolerate any little disrespect. Any little thing she swing upon you. You just have to take it, dog. You're not shame. You're supposed to be a man, my boy. And people say, oh, you shut off your mouth while you're a girl there. Bro, if you've never seen me driven a car, if you never see me drive a car, that means I'm not have a car. If you never see my house, does that mean I'm homeless? First of all, I don't put no girl I'm talking to on social media. I never will. You understand what I did? Because I have some people out there that's going to fly up in the DMs. Talk some bullshit story. I seen it already. Oh, Negus this, Negus that. What I'm telling you, as I said before in a video, I took a lot of L's with women already. I took a lot of L's. And these L's put me on my game, bruh. There was times I was too nice. Yeah, you can be too nice, bro. And that make a girl front dry up. Sahara Desert, make her front just dry up. All of the moisture is gone. She want a little mystery. She want a little masculinity. She want to smell the pheromone and make her nose kick off and say, oh, damn. But I move like a little batty bitch fish, bro. Come on, my G. You understand? So, you do not lead, bruh. You make no decisions. You tolerate her disrespect. You set no boundaries. She don't look at you as somebody she needs to follow. So therefore, if you're nobody I need to follow, or you can't even protect me in any type of way at all, you can't even change her car tire, my general. She not gonna respect her, my general. You're a waste to her. You understand? You're a waste. That's how what? You're a bitch. Number 2, you don't lead. Number 3, you are not on your purpose. The phone might ask, wait, mean, bro, you're not on your purpose. Bro, being on your purpose meaning you are trying to self-improve. You are dealing with self-improving. You're with improving self. You are not on your purpose. You have nothing going on in your life. You are not working towards anything. You have no goals. You are not motivated. You are lazy as hell. Women know niggas who ain't on shit, bruh. And when they see that you're not on that, she ain't gonna have no respect for you because she is thinking security. If you're not on your purpose to secure yourself, right? And once you are secured, you can secure anybody who you have around you, call them family or whatever. She's gonna be your girlfriend, then your wife, then you're gonna have kids. If you cannot make sure, or she cannot see no form of security when you guys are dating or boyfriend and girlfriend, she's not gonna have no respect for you, bro. She's gonna have no respect for you because you wanna know why? You have no ambition, bro. No ambition. You're not working towards anything. And you know some of them girls, like, even though you're hardworking, you know, brother. In the beginning, oh yes, that's so sexy, he's so hardworking. But sometimes when you even have time for them, that's still going to be a problem. I rather my girl have problem with me working too much than not working at all. Either way, she can give a bun. Either way, you're working too much. Oh, she need a little tender touch and affection there. If she is a real woman, she can wall out, of course. But she still can give a bun while you're working hard. And she will definitely give a bun if you ain't doing nothing. I rather get born when time I know so yo, me I work hard in my life because at the end of the day, me I work towards something and yo, 9 times out of 10 if I find out I left you, because I don't need you. You have to be on your purpose, bro. Don't make a woman your priority. You have to come first. Don't make your blood clot mother, your father, your sister, your brother. Nobody comes before your purpose. You understand what I'm dealing? Not your woman, not your mother, not your father, not your friend them, not even your pet. If your pet will run off him, kick him out. Come out. Move. Nobody come before your purpose. You and your purpose are number one because your purpose is going to elevate your status in life. So you stay there going, display signs of no ambition and say you shouldn't have left here with the quickness. Display signs of no ambition and should have left here with the quickness. So you're a bitch. You don't lead. You're not on your purpose. Number 4. She could be a feminist. Ooh. She could be a feminist, and we all know feminists, they low-key dislike men with a passion. So if you meet a straight feminist, a woman who love man same way, even though she want to fight down the patriarchy, that's going to be a very difficult relationship. I cannot imagine. I've never been with one, and I don't ever want to be with one. Just hearing how some feminists talk, bro, them not have no respect for man at all. Don't care how. It's like the more masculine you are, is the more threatening you are to their femininity. Them see masculinity as the apps. So she definitely not have no respect for you as a man, bruh. She gonna hate your guts, bruh. She gonna dislike you with every fiber of her being. Every atom in her body is going to dislike you with a passion. So she's definitely going to make that, like your decision-making skills going to be thrown out. She's not going to respect that. Oh, I can make decisions on my own. You got to try out open like one door for you. I can open my door myself. Not all of them, of course, but you do have those ones that are very extreme. So she might be a feminist, bro. She ain't going to have no respect for you at all. Zero. Because in her eyes, you are the oppressor because you uphold the patriarchy, bruh. You not helping her fight the patriarchy. So if you not help her fight the patriarchy, you're the apps. That's facts. That's facts. As I said before, I've never been with a feminist and I will never. Let me give you one more. Ratawa. You're a bitch. You don't lead. You're not on your purpose. She could be a feminist. And Maggie, one more. 5. She's just not for you. As simple as that. You hear what I'm saying? She's just not for you. Any woman that's for you, love, respect, compassion, everything that's positive to maintain and carry out a successful and loving relationship will come automatically. If a woman don't respect your brother, she is not for you. Women that are for you love you. They show you respect. They show you honesty. They show you acts of kindness. I see Kerry Hilson put out a tweet that when a man lead and show masculinity or some shit like that, her femininity gets poured out around. No, that's bullshit. You're feminine. You should be operating in your feminine, just like I've been operating in my masculine. And I see all the women jumping about talking about, oh yes, she's so right. So you're telling me that your femininity is conditional? You walking around here acting like niggas until a nigga over nigga you? And then you break down into this soft little thing? I don't want no girl like that. I want a girl that operates in her feminine 24/7. A lot of these women low-key hate niggas, bruh. They start acting like you. And a lot of you men hate women too. Y'all are whack. Both of y'all are whack. The man them will eat woman and the woman them will eat man. How dare you talk about, when a man lead and protect, that's when my femininity gets shown. Wrong bang. If your femininity is only displayed when a man lead and provide and protect, then you're not really feminine. It's all an act. You think I can switch on and switch off my masculinity? No, I operate in this motherfucker every day. Every day. So if you come and tell me, say, oh, I gotta lead and protect first, mama, I don't even want you. Goodbye. Because your femininity is conditional. I gotta be a man 24/7. You gotta have to make sure that you are a feminine woman 24/7. I don't want to hear that. You understand? Yo, if you don't have anything you want to add to the list, I'm going to 5 things already. This is 10, but I give you 5 things already. If you don't want to add some more things to the list, drop them in a comment. Because the young men, them want to know what time it is. You understand? And if I'm wrong or if I'm right on anything, you just put it in the comments. Let me know. I don't know everything, but I'm just talking about life experiences. As I said, I took a lot of L's with women, you understand? But the older I get, it's the more I know. When I say the more you grow, the more you know. You don't know, say one nation and Imara nation. Up with it. Yo! Make sure you say like, comment, share, subscribe, send a video to a friend them. You understand? Blessings and honor. You don't know, say one nation. Up move. Hello everyone, my name is Negusimara and you are looking at the new brand ambassador for the best Jamaican company in the world. Yes, I am talking about Tropic Isle Living, okay? And I want you to know, whenever it comes to hair growth products, we got you. Whenever it comes to shampoos and conditioners, we got you. Whenever it comes to skin therapy products, we got you. All right, ladies, you can't find those edges. Let us help you find them, okay? And all you gotta do is go on the website, tropicisleLiving.com, okay? And apply my code NEGUS10 for your discount, all right? And listen, any orders over $50 domestically, shipping is free. Who don't want that? Shipping is free for orders over $50 domestically. Remember, all right? NEGUS10 is my discount code. Have a great day. Yes, I need a new shipment, please and thank you.